Good morning everyone. This is K. Harshini, Assistant Professor, EEE Department, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Hyderabad. Today in the Control System Lab, we are performing the experiment of state space model analysis using MATLAB.
So in this experiment, actually what is our aim here? So we are performing two cases. But our first case is converting the transfer function to state space model, and second case is converting the state space model into transfer function. Okay. These two cases are done by using a software called as MATLAB. Okay. So for this experiment, what are the apparatus required here? So the apparatus required is, first one is your personal computer with a software of MATLAB. So next one. So in this experiment, actually we should be aware of two important terms. First is our transfer function, and second is our state space model, right? So we all know that what is a transfer function. So transfer function is nothing but ratio of Laplace transform of output by input at initial conditions neglected, right? So now what is the state space model? So in the previous classes we have studied physical system. It may be either for mechanical or either for electrical. So we have done the mathematical models, nothing but we have done the differential equations, right? So now based upon those differential equations, whatever the differential equations which we have obtained, so those differential equations we are representing them in terms of state space model. Okay. So in this first case is nothing but converting the transfer function into state space. Okay. So here in order to do that one, so I am taking a example of transfer function y by u is equals to 1 by this one. Okay. So now in order to get this representation, so what I am going to do, just I am taking a cross multiplication of it. So this s cube will become here y triple dot, s square will become y double dot, and s will become y dot, and here no constant term, so therefore y. Okay. So this is nothing but our is equals to u. So here, so now we have to represent our state vector x dot is equals to, so here it will be x triple, y triple dot, y double dot, and y dot. Okay. So what is the equation we are writing for y triple dot here? So y triple dot is equals to, so you are sending all these terms to the either side of the equation, right? So minus a1, minus a2, and minus a3. Similarly for y double dot and similarly for y dot. Okay. And this is the equation for your y. So in the output equation, we are having only one input term. Okay. So therefore, 1 of y. Okay. So this is the theoretical part for converting the transfer function into state space model. Okay. So now whatever the theoretical thing we have studied there, so for the transfer function to state space model concept, we are writing a program in MATLAB software. Okay. So this is nothing but the MATLAB program which are using for transfer function to state space model. Okay. So this is nothing but the title, transfer function to state space model, and these are the two commands, clear all, which used to clear the previous program which are present in our command window, right? And this is nothing but display of transfer function of a given system. So whatever the thing we are going to write, that is nothing but that will be displayed here. So we are giving a transfer function, right? So therefore transfer function of a given system. So numerator is equals to 2 space 3 space 2. So what does this represent here? This last 2 represents constant term, and this 3 represents your coefficient of s, and this 2 represent the coefficient of s square. So similarly you are giving the denominator term. This is constant, 0 represents no constant terms, and this is the coefficient of s square, s cube, and coefficient of s power 4. Okay. And next, what is this code here? So sys is equals to transfer function of numerator comma denominator. So what does this states here? So whatever the numerator part and denominator part which are given as input. So if you want to see that in terms like a transfer function, that is nothing but in terms of ratio of numerator and denominator. Okay. And next is nothing but we are writing the code here. So what is our code here? So okay. So my code is A, B, C D. Nothing but here we have to obtain state space model, right? So A, B, C, D is equals to, so what is the code we are going to use here? Transfer function to state space from numerator comma denominator. Okay. So this is all about the program of transfer function to state space model. So nothing but here we are giving the input of numerator denominator and just obtaining the A, B, C, D values. And next, this is nothing but the second case, converting the state space model into transfer function. Okay. So further the input we require is state space equations. State space equations. So we are converting these two state space equations in terms of Laplace transform. So first x of t will be converted. If it is converted into Laplace transform, this is the equation we are going to get. And this is nothing but our initial term which can be neglected. And here y of t is equals to C x of t plus d of t, right? This is your output equation. So for output equation also, if you are applying the Laplace transform, this is the final equation we are going to get like this. Y of s is equals to C x of s plus d of s, okay? And in this equation, state equation, we are having 2x of s, right? So therefore, I have taken x of s as common here. So x of s is equals to si minus a whole. If you are sending this term to either side, it will become inverse. So this is nothing but initial term which will be neglected. So now what we are going to do, we are substituting this x of s term in your output equation, because so finally we have to get our transfer function, right? So what do you mean by transfer function? Ratio of output by input, right? So output by input, nothing but here we are having output term like y of s and input term is u of s. So what is the extra term here? X of s, right? So therefore I am just using x of s term in terms of input, and that I am just substituting in output equation. Okay, now this is your final equation we are going to get here. So therefore y of s by u of s is equals to c into si minus a whole inverse b plus d. So here a, b, c, d, all these are your matrix forms. And this is the program which we are using for our converting state space model to transfer function. Okay. So for this we need inputs, right? So a, b, c, d are the input vectors. And here what is the code you are going to use here? Numerator, denominator is equals to, this is something but like formula. So transfer function to, state space to transfer function from a comma b comma c comma d. Okay. So this is all about the program of converting state space model to transfer function, right? So now we are going to execute, we are going to type these two programs in our MATLAB software. Okay. So now I am writing a program here. So now first I am going to write a program. So now first I am going to write a program. See, this is whatever we are writing here, that is nothing but title. So transfer function to state space. Transfer function to state space. Next, clear command, and next is your display of. So we are giving transfer function, right? So the transfer function is transfer function is given as comma. So we are going to give input, right? Input is nothing but in transfer function. So numerator of 2 space 3 space 2. Enter. Denominator 2 space 1 space 1 space 3 space 0. See here, whatever the input we can give, numerator also depends upon you, denominator also depends upon you. Okay. So next, system is equals to transfer function of numerator comma denominator. Next. So next what we are going to use here? We want A, B, C, D, right? So A comma B comma C comma D. So which is equals to, what is the code we are going to use here? Transfer function to SS from numerator comma denominator. Right? Enter. So this is our complete program now. So what we are going to do? Just copy the program and paste in your command window. Enter. So this is the input which we have given as numerator comma denominator. Now system SYS is nothing but we are okay. So this is command SYS nothing but already we have said that representation of your transformer, representation of your transfer function, and these are your outputs A comma B comma C comma D. Okay. So A is equals to this one, B and C and D. This is our complete program of our converting the transfer function to state space model. So next we are going to see another program of state space to transfer function, right? Next CLC display state space matrices are given as next. So now we are going to give the input. A is equals to 1 space 2 semicolon says it entering into the second row, right? B is equals to 1 second. Here it is. A is equals to B is equals to 1 semicolon 1. C is equals to 1 space 1. So here also we can give whatever the inputs which we require, depends upon the question. So next what we are going to use, ma? So directly formula, that is nothing but so we want numerator comma denominator, right, is equals to, what is the code we are going to use? SS2 TF from A comma B comma C comma D, right? So this is our function now. So now if you want to see this complete in terms of like transfer function, so SYS is equals to TF of numerator comma denominator. Okay, so now enter. So now this is our complete program. Just copying the program here and just entering in the command window. So what these are nothing but the inputs which we have given. So this is your output. Okay, numerator is equals to denominator is equals to. Okay, so this is your complete transfer function. Okay, so this is about all our program of experiment of our converting the state space to transfer function and transfer function to state space. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.